Magandang araw po sa inyo mga tagapanood or magandang gabi. Ito po ay isang reaction video lamang mula kay Tayo na at mag-subscribe sa kanya. Pa-subscribe na rin po sa channel ko. Tara na at nang masimulan na natin.
Surrounded by water this morning.
There goes that one. Oh, it's all. Oh, God. Okay. No.
More than 100,000 people lost power in South Florida as high winds, rain, and flooding rocked the Miami area. Heavy rain and strong winds lashed much of Florida, simulating tropical storm-like conditions. Dangerous winds have prompted the National Weather Service to issue a high wind warning for coastal Miami-Dade, Broward, and Palm Beach counties until 1 p.m. EST.
Look at that!
According to Power Outage Us, about 125,000 people were without power in South Florida. The most likely scenario based on the forecast is a large area receiving 4 to 8 inches of rain from the islands to the West Palm Beach area. The worst-case scenario could see double-digit rainfall hitting the local area, with metros like Fort Lauderdale and Miami smack in the middle of the risk zone. This could add to the record rainfall that has occurred in the Sunshine State this year. So much rain has fallen in South Florida that Fort Lauderdale was named the wettest major city in America, with more than 100 inches of rain this year, and counting.
Crazy. I love Texas for this reason. Look, I'm just stuck here.
Please join us every day to stay updated with weather information. Don't miss out, click the register button to support us.
Maraming salamat po. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe na po tayo kay. Pa-subscribe na rin po sa channel ko. Bye-bye po.